Good morning, this is Yuki and this is another edition of your Daily MILLI. Every day I'm giving you everything you need to know about your favorite meme coin on the Sei network. So let's jump into it because we have a massive news today. It was just announced an hour ago. MILLI is getting listed on Mexc, which is one of the biggest centralized exchange with very low fees, favored from the traders for its high leverage options. The pair is going to be MILLI USDT, which is also giving us access to huge liquidity and making it so easy for anyone to just swap from XRP to USDT and USDT to MILLI, or Ethereum to USDT and USDT to MILLI. This is going to bring so much money into the ecosystem. I repeat, guys, this is a massive news. And this is happening only 3 weeks after MILLI was born, which shows that the team is very active in the background and that MILLI is definitely here to stay. MILLI's Twitter is of course relaying the same information, and even Mexc put out a tweet announcing the listing along with a competition to win over 1 billion MILLI. So head over there, make some noise, like and retweet, and show Mexc how strong the MILLI army is. Also on Twitter, we can see on my poll that most of the voters were right, thinking that MILLI was going to announce a listing on centralized exchange, with almost 65% of the votes. However, since the big announcement was supposed to be tomorrow, they might still announce that they're hiring Yuki tomorrow. Feel free to go and support me in the Discord. Now a quick view of the market today shows us that pretty much everything is back in the green, which in conjunction with this big news is probably going to send MILLI to new all-time highs. It's pretty impressive to see how MILLI almost didn't flinch through the recent pullback and is now already following the pattern I drew yesterday. So again, everything seems very bullish for MILLI. Hold on tight to your bags, buy the dip whenever you can. Remember that obviously nothing I say is financial advice, so only invest money you can afford to lose, and don't forget to have fun. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and let's keep pushing MILLI to the top. Ciao ciao!